About once a quarter, I need a reset. My current state, although fucked, is actually on purpose. I feel like life is like that level in Mario when the screen is chasing you from the left and you're jumping over stuff at the castle and it just gets hard, and if the screen catches you, you're dead. Well, sometimes I allow myself to die. Here's what happens. As a human being, we all have urges and temptations. And instead of constantly pushing them away, I only push
until it hurts.
And then I give myself permission to burn that motherfucker down. Pizza, cigarettes, alcohol, laziness, anything bad, all at once. I've learned that allowing this burn it down to take place in a 2-day time frame is my best chance to getting back to the person that I want to be regularly. 1 day to get it out, and 1 day to recover. So the action of burning it down is pretty self-explanatory and it's different for everyone. So let's talk about the recovery. If you're anything like me, your burn it down day is probably gonna leave you feeling like shit.
Embrace it.
It's exactly why you don't do this all the time. But on recovery day, I do 2 things. I readjust my environment and I revisit my habits. Adjusting my environment pretty much looks like this. I clean, and we're already in better shape. I organize, I debug my entire life. And do simple shit like change my phone background. If I got shit I don't need, I get it gone. And if I got shit I do need, I get it. I try to do everything I can to put myself in the best possible position to succeed. The benefit of the burn it down method is freeing yourself from cravings and allowing yourself the headspace and the forgiveness to actually get those things out of your system and restart.
Oh, come here. I'm so sorry. I gotta clean.
This is Daisy, by the way. Here is my list. Number 1, wake up at 4:30 a.m. If I don't do this, I don't get half the stuff I need to get done in a day done. Number 2, first 30 minutes of the day is spent with my wife. Time with wife is non-negotiable because if we spend too much time apart or we don't just talk enough, we drift apart, we lose decision-making power, and we feel like roommates. So from 4:30 to 5 a.m., my wife and I are sitting right over there on the couch and we are having coffee together with no phones. If we have to stare at a wall, that's okay. I don't skip that one. Number 3, exercise. If I skip this one, I'm fucked. I allow myself from like 5 to 6:30-ish to be either at the gym or out running or both.
Not a bad view.
While the time with my wife improves my relationships, exercise improves literally everything else. It's the opposite of ice cream. I never want to do it, but I never regret doing it after I've done it. Ice cream is the opposite. Which leads me to the next one, healthy breakfast. I can't freaking spell. But for those of you who don't already know, I am on the carnivore diet. I pretty much eat dead animals and eggs every single day because that's what makes me feel the best. And if I have a large, healthy breakfast, say a ribeye and eggs, or just ground up beef and eggs, that sets me up for the whole rest of the day. In my life, skipping breakfast is a bad idea. I don't feel as good, I get hungry at inopportune times, and if I have an unhealthy breakfast, I get fucking tired. It's bullshit, man. It's not worth it. I don't recommend not eating a healthy breakfast. But that's just me. Do whatever the fuck you want to do. And believe it or not, that's fucking it. If I do those 3 things every single day, I'm happy, I'm healthy, and I just fucking feel good, man. Everything else after that just seems to take care of itself, I swear. So while sometimes I'm really worried about the little individual habits of my day, those are the only 3 that matter, because if I knock those out, all the other dominoes fall. Everything else in this whole like morning routine, habits, culture is bullshit as far as I'm concerned. You don't need cold plunges. You don't need to journal every single day. You don't need to do 17 things just to optimize your day. You do fucking 3. Socialize, exercise, and eat healthy. I don't know why everybody makes it so fucking hard. Sorry for getting passionate there. Gotta clean that up. In a nutshell, what I'm trying to say is give yourself permission to get it all out. At least that's what I do. Do all the bad things that you've been wanting to do at once. Then shift your gear to recovery mode and putting your life back together mode. Where's my lighter? So burn it down, and then build it back up. I hope this helps fix some shit. It does for me. Do that whole thing where you like follow me or whatever. Or disagree with me in the comments. You can do that too. I love to hear what you have to say.